I am a 76-year-old practicing consultant physician and cardiologist attached to one of the multi-specialty hospital in Pune. I am also a retired professor of medicine from one of the medical colleges. I was having psoriatic lesions about 4 years back on both of my legs. I tried all the allopathic medicines, all the available ointments in our country, used to apply one after the other, but there was cure, but there was equal recurrence. So there was no cure for at least 3-4 years which I suffered. I was very much cumbersome when I was treating the patients because it is to scratch a lot, and to scratch in front of the patient was humiliating for me. Moreover, I used to get psoriatic patients in my practice for other medical ailments, and I have seen the spread of the disease which used to bother me every now and then and take away my concentration when I was treating the patient. I was a sort of depressed. What I will do if the lesions spread all over my body. I spoke to my missus about this. She came to know about Dr. Sonone from one of her friends, and all the history and all the background of Dr. Sonone. She compelled me that I must see Dr. Sonone at least once. I was very much reluctant to go to Dr. Sonone because I had no belief in homeopathic medicines. I always used to think how these small white globules and some few drops of medicine put on them will cure the disease, which has not been cured by so many allopathic medicines. But anyhow, for the wish of my missus, I continued the treatment with Dr. Sonone. He had given me assurance, and he had told me that I have to have patience and I will have to take treatment for at least 2 to 2.5 years after seeing the lesions, which I agreed to. The only thing I did that I followed the treatment very religiously, and I went for follow-ups also very regularly. To my surprise, after about 6 months, the lesions started receding, itching stopped, and after about 1.5 years, all the lesions disappeared. There was no spread anywhere except the areas which they were located to start with, and there was complete cure. And as per Dr. Sonone's promise, I got cure earlier than what he had told. Now he told me after 1.5 years that you can stop the treatment, but you must come for the follow-up regularly to see whether there is any recurrence. Till now, it's about 4 years now, I am still going for the follow-up, and there has been no recurrence after stopping the treatment after 1.5 years. So this is just to stress the point that people who don't have any knowledge about other pathies, maybe homeopathy, maybe Unani or other types of Ayurvedic, other types of medicine, should never lose belief in other pathies because it doesn't know about anything. As is in my case. Now I had got full belief in homeopathy, and because the proof of the pudding is in eating, so it has proved that my lesions have gone and there is no recurrence without the treatment. One thing I want to stress again, it is not only the homeopathic medicines which have cured me, it is the devotion, it is the research which Dr. Sonone had put for about 26 to 30 years in research for psoriasis, and that has given him the result, and it has become beneficial to so many suffering patients who don't find any ray of hope from other medicines. It is a great ray of hope in the form of Dr. Sonone that has given relief to this ugly disease. I will call it ugly and very sensitive disease, because it becomes a social problem. when you got so many lesions on your body and you move about in the society. So it's a great relief for me, and I congratulate Dr. Sonone for the same. And may God give him more research work, more study at his credit so that he can cure more and more difficult cases of psoriasis. Thank you.